Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You get up early a morning time for pray? If you not start do that yet, I encourage you to start do it now, because you're going to need it. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, I invite you now to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the Good News about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 21 from verse 34 to verse 38. Watch out and spend the whole of the time and yam and a drink and a fret about life. Our daddy de I go creep up and catch you like one trap. It a go come pan all we live on the earth. Always a watch. Pray say uno we can get away from all our go happen. And pray say uno can turn up in front of the man with God pick. Every day, Jesus teach in a yard where God house there. And at night time, him go up Mount Olive. All of the people them get up early morning time if you go listen Jesus at God house. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.